Good morning everyone. Myself is Priyanka Chawla from STG DAV School, Haripura. I am here to present the topic of 11th Business Studies, that is Business and Introduction. Business is an economic activity which conducted on regular basis to earn profit through production and sale and purchase of goods and services. A human in his life perform two types of activities, that are economic activities and non-economic activities. Economic activities are those activities whose purpose is to earn profit. Non-economic activities are those activities whose purpose are to service the society only, like giving the donation to the trust, to the mandirs, etc. Economic activities are further divided into three types, that are business, profession and employment. Business, we have read, it is an economic activity. Business is an economic activity, means its main purpose is to earn the profit only, which is conducted on regular basis. Regular basis means the transaction which we perform in the business must be on the regular basis. Like I have an old watch, I sold it on the OLX. It doesn't mean it is an business. Business must be on the regular basis. If I sold watches on regular basis, sale and purchase of the watches, that is the business. Only single time selling is not a business. Then exchange of goods and services for profit or for money. In business, there is an exchange of goods and services, means the businessman purchase the goods from supplier and sell these goods to the customer and get the money in return of his goods and services. Next one is risk and return. Obviously, profit is an economic activity, so there is high rate of risk, that there is business will run successfully or not run, profit will earn or not run, and the reward or return of this risk is the profit, or it may be loss also, because in the business there is uncertainty of profit. The next activity, that is profession. Profession means a professional person must have or possess some skills and knowledge which is used to service the society. His skills and knowledge provide service to the society. He will give advice, he or she will give advice and guidance to the employees, to the customers. The features of the profession are specialized knowledge. A professional person must have a specialized knowledge, like a doctor, a CA must have a specialized knowledge in their field. If a doctor is of a heart, then he must have a knowledge of heart diseases. Then next is priority to the service. A professional person's priority is only to give service to the society, not to earn the profit. Like the doctor's profession is priority is to provide service to the society, not to earn fees from the client only. Next is code of conduct. Code of conduct means rule. There in the profession there are some rules which the professional person have to follow, like morality, honesty, etc. Then return. A professional's return is fees which he charged from his client, like lawyer charge fees from his client, doctor charge fees, CA charge fees. These fees are the return of a professional. The next one is employment. In employment, a person work under another organization or another person and he get the salary in exchange of that service. Feature of employment is service to the other. In employment, the employee gives service to his employer only. Personal service. There is a need of a personal service, means the person who is giving service must required. Without a personal person, it is not possible. Like if I am giving service in DAV school, so I am required in the DAV, then I can give the services. No risk. In the employment, there is no risk of earning profit or any loss, etc. because they get only salary or wages. So no capital needed. Also we need not to start any business employment, so there is no need of any capital. Return. Employment's return and reward is the salary and bonus wages which he get from his or her employer. These are the feature of business, profession and employment. Thank you.